Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are working on our half hexagon for the Aubrey Lynn blanket, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys a cross double crochet increase, and also how you will get that started when you're working into this very first stitch without any chains. So hop into it. We start with our slip knot. Again, I like the slip knot because it's just nice and secure. I can work over top of this, feel really good about it not popping out. I've talked about that in all of my videos for stitches and for this tutorial, so I feel like you guys are blue in the face with that by now. So to get started with our cross double crochet without having to just start or end with a double crochet or a chain, we are not going to work into this first stitch. We are going to start in the second stitch. So we are going to insert our hook into that second stitch, and we're starting with that standing double crochet. So we're going to work over top of that yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's our very first double crochet, and it's also a standing double crochet. And now we're going to go back and work into that first one that we skipped. So we're going to go and make a double crochet into that very first stitch. So that is our first crossed double crochet. And so that's how you get it started. But from here on out, what you're going to be doing is you're not just going to be skipping a stitch, as in skipping this stitch that you have already worked into. You're going to be skipping an unworked stitch. So we're going to skip this one right here and work here. So we're gonna yarn over, insert hook, complete a double crochet, and then we're going to go back into this unworked stitch that we have here and create another double crochet, and then again we have crossed a double crochet. And so now this is the one where it can get a little bit tricky, is the increase. So for the cross double crochet increase, same thing, we're going to skip this unworked stitch here, and we're going to work into the second one, and this time we are going to put 2 double crochets into this first stitch and then 1 into this one. So we're going to do our first double crochet, our second double crochet. So now we've made our increase into this very first stitch. Now we're going to go back and work into this one. And we have made our crossed double crochet increase. Okay? So, very simple. It can seem really intimidating and confusing whenever you see that in the pattern for the first time, especially if you've not worked a cross double crochet at all before. You still have access to all of these loops up top, so there's nothing that's getting hidden by having this nice crossed texture. You can still work into all of these loops in the following rounds. So that is getting started with a cross double crochet, a crossed double crochet, and then a cross double crochet increase. Thanks, guys.